honey, I'm watching you as he bruises your heart. At the end of the day, I know he'll kiss your face softly. And honey, I'm watching you as his teeth cut your mouth. There's not much to say. I hope you're okay. And I know he's watching you. Take off your dress. The things that he'll do, then make up with you. And I won't say it with my mouth that's seen these words that cut through precious love. We can't say it with our hands wrapped round a coffee cup, a metal bar searching for some stability in the emptiness. Is a lonely heart, so I'll say it in the house he bends the listening, the stupid song, so that you know there's life between the screams, so that you know this love's not what it seems. And honey, I'll look at you, won't ask you to listen. I'll make something up. Sounds like a really nice date. And honey, I'll smile at you and hope to be closer to the person you are. You know you're a star. Here you are, 22. He's captured your freedom. I'll bottle it up to give it back to you one day. And I won't say it with my mouth that's seen these words that cut through precious love. We can't say it with our hands wrapped round a coffee cup, a metal bar searching for some stability in the emptiness. Is a lonely heart, so I'll say it in the house he bends the listening, the stupid song, so that you know there's silence in the screams, so that you know this love's not what it seems. So I'll take this moment to watch you in silence and hope that you learn